It dawned on me after I had a few customers reach out about the install process of the 309 Customs Fairing Shrouds for the Harley-Davidson Street Glide. So I'm gonna take the opportunity to make a very quick, short, simple video on exactly how to install a 309 Custom Audio Fairing Shroud for the 2014 to 23.5 Street Glides. Before everybody asks, yes, there are two styles for the 2014 to 23.5 Harley-Davidson Street Glides. That is the full fairing, which is what's in my hand, with pods, and then without pods. I'm going to show you the install process of it with pods because that's primarily what we use and what we stock. Because if you don't want the pods, guess what? It's as simple as just simply cut the pods off. I'll show you that. But the install process is exactly the same. And again, this is so easy. But if you're not familiar with the bikes, you're not familiar with this product, I can understand where the confusion is. So that's why I want to take the opportunity to install this real quick on this bike while we have a 2014 Street Glide here in for a complete wiring rescue. You'll see that video drop later. So we're gonna go ahead and show you this install process. Okay, the install process again is super simple. What we're going to remove is this piece right here. I guess you call this the upper vent. There is a screw over here and over here. All you have to do is take a T25, Torx, unscrew this side, then unscrew this side. That will release this. You can just push down and out. There's these retentions on both sides. It'll probably be hard to see. There is a little bit of a slot groove right here, a fin here and here. That's what holds this piece on. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our shroud on. You can tell this is the correct one because it's got 3 holes. What I like to do is find this center hole first. Just go ahead and push this over, lay it over. Then you'll take this stud over here. You'll push it over that stud. And then here, you'll push it over that stud as well, and then that holds the shroud just fine. As you can see, we're completely pushed through there. We're pushed through here and here, and then I like to tuck that right there for right now. And then you just take your OEM upper vent piece. It goes literally right back in as it did before. And then you just take your 2 screws and go each side. And I can get it started. That one's started, and then right here. Boom. So like I said, that is it. And then what I like to do with the pod version is I will take this, I will feed it down like that, tuck it up underneath here, and then over here we'll do the same thing all over again. Just tuck it up there. And the reason I said we use these ones was if you don't want the pods, then all I would say is just take this right where you want to cut it. I would take it here and slice it right down on both sides, and then that gives you no pods. I personally we purchase the pod versions just because they're the same price, and why not just, protect everything. And again, if you don't want the pods, just simply cut it off right there. As I said in the introduction, this video is gonna be very short, simple, and to the point because guess what? This is super easy to install on these bikes, but I wanted to make sure I took the time to do that. What I've seen in the past is people don't understand it goes underneath this. No fault to you. If I didn't know any better, I'm pretty sure the first time we bought these, I wasn't sure exactly how it went on. And there isn't a whole lot of videos on these besides Carlos at MVS Audio. So I want to take the time to get this installed on here, show you guys that process because these are super important. Every single one of our audio packages we do for the Harleys and even the Indian Challengers and Pursuits get these because you're investing a lot of money in your audio. You want to make sure this stuff's protected. So this is the best bang for the buck to keep your audio equipment protected. These are under 50 bucks. to spend $50 to protect, you know, thousands of dollars of audio equipment. I mean, this gentleman's got over $1,000 in amplifiers and DSP under the fairing, probably closer to 1,800 bucks underneath there. So it's well worth your investment to protect it. So if you're in the market for a fairing shroud for your Harley, we have them for the 13 and down, 14 and up. We have them for the newer Road Glide. We have them from the 14 to 23.5 Road Glide and the Indian Challenger, and we are coming out with some more for the new Indian Chieftain Roadmaster Power Plus versions as well. So if you're in the market for one, just reach out. We've got plenty of them in stock. Let us know how we can help you. We'd be more than happy to get you the correct one for your bike. And if you have any questions about the install process, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Harley, Indian, motorcycle, period, we have a little bit of experience with all the different brands. I say that sarcastically because we do a lot of bikes. That's what we're known for. So make sure you check us out in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We'd be more than happy to help y'all in anything that we can do to help y'all. So reach out today. We're here for y'all. God bless all of you. Have a great day.